Good day, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. The inflation rate in the Philippines increased again from 4.7 to 6.1% from August to September. For more info, Mark Garland is here. Mark?
Muli na namang bumilis ang antas ng pagtaas ng presyo ng mga bilihin sa bansa. Sa ulat ng Philippine Statistics Authority, bumilis sa 6.1 ang inflation rate ng bansa nitong Setyembre. Mas pataas ito sa 5.3% inflation rate noong Agosto. Ayon sa PSA, pangunahing dahilan nito ay ang pagtaas ng presyo ng mga food and non-alcoholic beverage na mayroon 9.75 inflation. Samantalang kinumpirma rin ito, tanggapan tumaas din ng 17.9% ang inflation rate sa presyo ng bigas. At ito ay kahit na may pinapatupad ng price ceiling si Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Sangayon po ba kayo sa pagtaas ng petrolyo o langis?
Hindi, syempre.
Kasi
Pag tumaas ang petrolyo, buwasan yung bibigay sa pamilya.
tataas ang bilihin.
Oo.
Tsaka sangayon din po ba kayo sa pagtaas ng minimum fare?
Hindi rin.
Magkano na rin po ba ang minimum fare ngayon?
13 ngayon.
Sa estudyante?
11.
PWD?
11.
Ganun din po sa
Oo, 11 din. Hindi ako sangayon kasi mabigat sa bulsa eh. Saka, commuters din ako.
Ate, nakaramdam din po ba kayo ng mga pagtaas ng bilihin?
Oo naman, syempre. Halos lahat ng tao ngayon nakakaranas ng pagtaas ng mga bilihin.
Ate, nagbago na po ba ang presyo ng inyong tinda?
Oo, sa ngayon, kahit papaano nagtaas kami paunti-unti. Dahil di rin naman po pwede mag-fix sa isang presyo lang. Di rin naman kami kikita kung ganun pa rin ang presyo namin, tas mataas ang bilihin.
Ano pong paraan ninyo para kahit papaano hindi kayo mawalan ng mga mamimili rito?
Kahit nagtaas ako ng presyo ng bilihin, hindi naman nagbago ang timpla at lasa ng aking paninda. Lalo na kailangan natin panatilihin masarap at malasa ang paninda.
Nagtaas po ba kayo ng presyo o binabawasan nyo lang po ang takal na paninda nyo po? Tapos same price lang din?
Siyempre nagtaas kami ng presyo pero hindi naman namin binabawasan yung takal. Siyempre, iniisip pa rin naman namin sila para hindi naman sila agrabyado.
Thank you, Mark. The Nipah virus coming pandemic. Are we once again in danger? For that news report, here's our reporters Kim and Vincent.
Apart from the emergency period, the COVID-19 epidemic is still going and people are concerned anything there is a rise in the new cases. And to that, the recent news of a Nipah virus epidemic in India, and it's easy to see why there's growing concern that a new pandemic is on the way. It is important to remain watchful, but there is compelling evidence that COVID-19 instance will considerably increases. Again, it is also unlike the Nipah will cause the next pandemic.
Meanwhile, the Nipah virus outbreak in India is gaining headlines. Nipah is a zoonotic virus that spread from animals to people and was originally identified in Malaysia in 1998. Nipah refers to the Nipah River in Malaysia, which was the site of the original outbreak.
Stay tuned, everyone. Eagle Eye will be right back. Wow! Di kompleto ang araw mo pag walang kasal.
H2 Spring, drinking water. So refreshing.
Here's the weather report with our handsome weather forecaster, Harold.
Good day everyone, my name is John Harold F. Oliveras, your weather forecaster. Whether you like it or not, we've got you covered. At 3 a.m. today, the low pressure area was estimated based on all available data at 305 kilometers west of Puerto Princesa City, Palawan, at 9.6 north at 116.0 east. As seen here, there was an active tropical storming designated Super Typhoon Bulaven at 3 a.m. The low pressure area was assessed based data at 305 km west of Puerto Princesa City, Palawan. The position was 2,405 kilometers east-north of extreme 24.2 degrees north, 145.5 degrees east, with highest winds of 205 kilometers per hour and the movement northeast toward that 25 kilometers per hour. And that's all. Thank you.
And that's all for today news. There's no room to hide, there's no ring to fight. We're in the Newsline Report.
Good day everyone, my name is John Harold F. Leoberas, your handsome weather forecaster. Whether you like it or not. Everyone, my name is John Harold F. Leoberas, your handsome weather forecaster. Whether you or not.
And that's all for the day news.